problem with
A
that
little,
kind of
a
thing
little
is
trick
when
for
we
that.
breathe.
So you see how this finger is like right on the edge here?
Uh-huh.
So if you're
You go
worried about
down.
it getting stuck,
Yeah,
like what
you
I do is I touch my finger to the bottom,
And then
right,
you know
and
when
then
you're
start.
going up. Okay.
So that way I don't catch, because you probably
Yes.
go down and you catch the
Yes.
bottom.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I
So
thought.
touch it.
Finger guide
Touch
thing.
it with your finger and find the bottom, so you know
Okay.
some orientation, and then start.
Okay. Yeah, because my pots all have gouges in the bottom.
It took me a long time to figure that out.
Yeah. Thanks for the tip.
Yeah. So you notice I started right at the top first and started to coil that in and kind of push down instead of coming down here and coiling in and then coming up. Right, because it's thicker. And then I'll go back and I'll start to thin this out. And as I do that, I'm pushing forward. So some people use throwing sticks, so they can now get in like all the way down to here.
Debbie's got a great one.
Yeah, maybe I just never had a good one that I liked. I've tried them before, but I always found them kind of awkward. But I have fairly long fingers, so I can kind of get down as far as I need to.
That's like using the rib though, because I can't feel the clay, so I don't
Yeah.
feel in control.
I think that's my problem too. Is that loss of sensitivity.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting it really thin or if it's real thick or. Oh look, there's the inside of it outside.
It seems like a bullet or a bomb. So as you can see, maybe this is too slow, but I'm just slowly working it in because if I do it dramatically, it'll tend to wobble. Probably some people can do it faster than me, but
It's like a moonshine bomb.
beware. So now I'm just throwing this top section that was a little bit thicker, just to add some height to that neck. And I'll just give it a little undercut, kind of thicken up the lip. There we go.
Very cool.